Hi there, Angela here from Harbour Clothing Alterations. We're located upstairs in Harbour Premium Outlets Shopping Centre in beautiful Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. Before discovering Geelus, I was on the lookout for an efficient way to manage my clothing alterations business without resorting to the traditional time clock and punch card system. I wanted something modern, easy to use, and versatile. And that's when I stumbled upon Geelus, a game changer for businesses like mine, specializing in dry cleaning, tailoring, and clothing alteration. I've been relying on Geelus for the past 12 years, and honestly, I can't imagine running my business without it. Whether I'm at work on my computer, at home on my desktop, or on the go with my mobile phone or tablet, Geelus seamlessly integrates into my daily operations. Gone are the days of writing orders on triplicate dockets and drowning in paperwork. Geelus has transformed my business by providing essential features such as keeping detailed customer records, easy placing and managing detailed orders, a convenient calendar to keep track of order due dates, helping us stay on top of deadlines, keeping clients informed by sending automated text messages when their orders are ready for pickup, requesting Google reviews to boost our online presence, gathering valuable customer feedback after each visit, helping us improve customer services, efficiently tracking staff productivity. I can easily see who did the job and when, simplifying tax time with organized records. The new FPOS integration, we've minimized the chance of payment mistakes for a smoother transaction experience. Geelus has truly streamlined my business operations, making it easier for me to focus on what really matters, giving top-notch service to my customers. So if you're in the clothing alterations and dry cleaning business, I highly recommend giving Geelus a try and experience the difference.